is Joan of Arc here in Disneyland, Hong Kong. I'm here at my last leg of my solo travel in Europe, transiting here in Hong Kong for just a few hours. So I'm spending a few hours here in Hong Kong just passing by. So in Ilonggo, for our Ilonggo tutorial, passing by is naglabay. You can add lang. So naglabay lang. Passing by only. So that's transit in other words. Meaning to say, passing through naglabay. Labay is the root word meaning to pass. And then after this, mapahuway, taanay, isang lagaw. So pahuway, the root word pahuway means to rest. And mapahuway because it is in the future tense, mapahuway. So we are going to rest for a while, and well, for our next journey we will do some travel videos again in our Ilonggo tutorial. Also, another word worth remembering for this trip is ubos, meaning run out. So naubos na, ran out, past tense. Na is the past tense of ubos, meaning ran out. I ran out of money, ran out of energy, ran out of patience, ran out of holidays, so I have to go home now. So, naurutan na. Urot or ubos, it means depleted or fully consumed. So, that and those other words for this tutorial. This is Joan of Arc here in Hong Kong, Disneyland for our last leg, transiting here from our Europe trip. See you in our next video. Bye for now. Mwah.
Dayo, pag-uwi, bes.